5th, 2025. I am here at Port 32 Marina, and this is an inspection video for Stargazer. This is Stargazer. We are at slip C93. Currently, the name that is on the boat says Gypsy Azure, but confirmation with the office did say that this is also going to be named Stargazer. So let's go ahead and check it out. Before we check it out, let's go ahead and talk zincs. There are only zincs that I've found on the boat are 2 R4 rudder zincs and 2 1 3/4 inch shaft zincs. There are no trim tabs on this boat, and there is no bow thruster. rudder zincs will need to be replaced. There is a lot of growth. It does seem to come off a fair bit easier than some others that I've seen. But this I would estimate at least 4 hours to clean. Thank you for choosing DS.